If you want to cancel a direct debit with Commonwealth Bank, here's how to do it. First, open the Commbank app and log in. From the home screen, tap on the account where the direct debit is coming out. Then go to Settings or Manage and look. For the Direct Debit section, you'll see a list of active debit agreements. Select the one you want to cancel, tap Cancel Direct Debit, and confirm. The bank will stop payments to that business or service. If you don't see the option in the app, you can also log into NetBank. Go to your account, choose Manage Direct Debits, and cancel from there. Other way is to call Commbank or visit a branch and ask them to cancel on your behalf. Remember, it's also a good idea to contact the company that set up the debit, like a gym or subscription service, to let them know you've canceled, so they don't try to charge you again. Once canceled, you'll see the debit removed from your active list in the app. That's eToken Commbank. Go to Direct Debits, select Cancel, and you're done. Like, subscribe, and if you have any questions, let me know in the comments.